Hello, my great people. What am I even hearing? That some people are raising eyebrows. Some people are angry. Some people are talking. They are complaining that air hostesses appeared in an attire that is Igbo. Hey, I begin to wonder, what do we owe this country, we the Igbo people? Perhaps we will sacrifice ourselves on the cross so that they will be satisfied. I don't know. That somebody did something in a business he owns. He chose to do his presentation that way. And some people are angry. And it's a topic for discussion. Hey! Ndị Igbo, unu ejewu n'onwe Chineke melu nebere, Chineke nyalụ n'aka. I can't believe that this will come up to the public space and it will be something they'll be talking about as if the owner of Peace has erred, as if he has done something wrong. What is wrong about that? Peace is not a Nigerian airline, as in, it is not owned by the Nigerian government. It is an individually owned airline. He has the right to do his presentation the way he wants. Akwago, an Igbo attire for air hostesses, and some people are crying. Does that interfere with your traveling if you want to travel? Anyway, I am happy that there are some Nigerians, other Nigerians that are not Igbo, who reasons well, and they have reacted to this particular thing. It's not even an issue, but some are making it an issue. The company has the right, the business owner has the right to do his business presentation the way he likes. If you're not comfortable with it, there are several airlines that you can board to travel. Hey, this country itself, a lot of busybody, people living what they ought to do. Waiting Igbo man do na. We are all competing for space in this country. His business and our businesses are legitimately owned. The other day, in Hero Beer, there was something like Biafran logo. And so what? That's how the brands choose to present their product. They say there's Biafran logo in Hero Beer. And so what? Did anybody force you to drink Hero Beer? Now there's an adopted dress of the Igbo. Akwago, he uses it for his business as dress code, a new introduction. And the thing that bites some people for skin. Hey, hello, Melo. I want to tell you that he has the right. I don't need to even explain anything to you. I think you should find something doing. You who are discontent, who are unhappy with what you saw, find something doing. If you really engage yourself in something doing, you will not be talking about that. People who are business-minded understand that that is a strategy. He has a right to choice of dress for his air hostesses. You didn't buy the plane for him. You didn't loan him money to start business. Even if you loan him money, it is still his business. He will pay you the money you loan him. But this concerns him and how he wants to run his business, even if he borrows money from you. Now, let me read what Mr. Basha, who is one of those who actually, a Nigerian that understands, not like others who don't reason, who finds every reason to pull down other people. I like what he wrote. He said, I can't understand why there is such a fuse over Alien Onyema's choice of dress code for his air businesses. For me, it is not a big deal. Air Peace is not a Nigerian airline, so the owner has the right to select attire that he believes is suitable for his business. Those who are criticizing Air Peace, please go and find work. If you have work, you will not engage yourself in such criticism. Because such criticism is not constructive. It is born out of envy, out of hatred. Go and change, go and repent. Go and find something doing. Be creative so that you will think less of doing the wrong things. Busybody. Meanwhile, like I said earlier, I know that not all Nigerians are like this. There are reasonable ones who are this one, nine business strategy. I beg, this one no carry the matter no carry any weight. I just say make I address people. I beg, make una share this video widely. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for more updates. Bye bye for now.